A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Tuesday's trading action at Dalal Street dated May 24th, 2022. The good news this Tuesday morning is that investors seem ready to buy a market beaten down by weeks of selling. Some constructive buying quite likely on media reports that President Joe Biden has suggested that he might lift tariffs on Chinese goods. Honestly speaking, easing of tensions between US and China could provide much needed relief and improve the globalization trade and easing of inflationary pressure. Overnight, US stocks remained sharply higher Monday afternoon, bouncing back from the longest stretch of weekly losses for the Dow Jones Industrial Average since 1932. Aggressive traders on the buy side will be happy to note that the S&P 500 has avoided slipping into the bear market. Helping sentiments will be reports that suggest the world's biggest tech company is looking to expand its manufacturing base outside of China. The Wall Street Journal reported that Apple Inc., which makes by some estimates around 90% of its hardware products inside China, is looking to expand manufacturing hubs in India and Vietnam in order to both diversify its supply chain. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests that bulls will aim to regroup as Nifty will aim to move in the 16,411 to 16,657 zone. Long-term investors can begin sharpening their knives. Our chart of the day is bullish on Balrampur Chini, Escorts, M&M, Maruti, and Mindtree. Now, before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty closing price 16,215, buy at current market price, strict stop at 15,901, target 16,411 and then at 16,657, aggressive targets at 17,001 to 17,257 zone. Bank Nifty closing price 34,248, buy at current market price, strict stop at 32,911, targets 34,655 and then at 35,251, aggressive targets at 36,651. We believe Nifty bulls will take in their stride the RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das's statement. The market is right in thinking that the MPC wants to raise rates in the next meeting on June 8. That said, any excessive upside likely to be capped at Dalal Street, and the same can be attributed to relentless selling from the FIS camp. FIS camp continue to be net sellers for the 8th straight month since October 2021 and have sold shares worth rupees 46,000 crore in the month of May. The Nifty options data for May series suggests that Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 15,500 to 17,000 zone. Maximum call open interest at 17,000 followed by 16,300 strike price. So the 17,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 16,000 levels followed by 15,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 16,300 and then at 16,200 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 16,000 and then at 16,100 strike price. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest at 35,000 strike price while maximum put open interest at 34,000 strike price. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 02240767373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.